Hi everybody, I'm back with another portfolio update. So right now my Robinhood portfolio is at $110,810.72. Today I made about $2,700, that's 2.5% gain. The only thing that's in my portfolio right now is this Cinemark $5, $7.5 call debit spread. So this basically means that I'm betting the Cinemark is going to stay above $7.50. And this expires on December 18th. So I'm going to probably wait until December 18th to get the max profit. But so far it's been going pretty well. As you can see, the total return plus $7,469.98. So it's going well so far. Right now Cinemark is at $8.65. So it is staying above $7.50. I actually don't think it's dipped below to 7.5. So we got 8.28 right here. Oh, it looks like it dipped to 7.69. That was close. But not 7.50, it looks like. 7.77. So it is going in the high $7 range, like $7.80, $7.70. But it doesn't look like it's dipping below that, below 7.5. Let's hope it stays that way until December. But yeah, that's the only thing I have in my portfolio right now. I do have a lot of this though. These call debit spreads, I have 270 of them. The cost, as you can see here, my total cost for these debit spreads, $42,480. So I actually put a lot of money into these Cinemark call debit spreads, and hopefully they do work out. Most of my portfolio is actually cash right now. As you can see here, my buying power, I have $121,000 in buying power. So I do have a lot of cash sitting on the sidelines right now. And then if I do see a super good deal, then I'll put cash into that. But right now, I don't see any that I really want to put money in. And I'm being a little cautious right now because it's earnings season, right? A lot of companies are putting out their earnings, so things could go up a lot, things could go down a lot. But most of the things on my watch list, they're doing pretty well. I used to have a call debit spread in United Airlines. United Airlines is doing really well. Maybe I should have bought a longer dated call debit spread. But it's okay. I made a lot of good profit off of that. Over $9,000 on the United Airlines call debit spread. I think out of everything I'm watching right now, the thing that stands out to me the most that I might get into is AT&T. Right now it's at $26.82 a share. That's really low for AT&T. If we look at the 1 year chart, it was trading in the high 30s, like 38, 39. And then it dropped all the way down to $26.77 on the crash. But now it's at $26.82. So it's pretty much gone back to the lows of when the crash happened earlier this year in March. So at this level, it looks really, really attractive. So I might get into AT&T. The only reason I haven't pulled the trigger yet is because their earnings, I think, is coming up. Where is it? Yeah. It says it's going to be available October 22nd, pre-market. So it's coming up soon. And I don't know what it's going to be, if it's positive or negative. So I think I might wait until after earnings to decide what to do. But yeah, at the price it is right now, I mean, if you're looking for a stock to just buy and hold long term, I think AT&T is a good idea, but I'm doing call debit spreads right now. So if I were to invest in AT&T, I would be doing a call debit spread. That's why I'm a little hesitant, because call debit spreads are a lot more risky than just buying the stock. If I wanted to just buy the stock, oh yeah, I would have done it at this level, $26.82. I would have definitely bought AT&T stock here. But because I'm looking to do call debit spreads, I'm taking on a lot more risk by doing that. So I'm not jumping in just yet. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's the most attractive play that I'm looking at right now is AT&T. It's at a really low level right now, back to the lows of when the crash happened back in March. So I'm going to be watching that, and I'll see what happens during its earnings date and see what happens. I expect a big move up or a big move down. I don't feel like risking my money at this point. And of course, there's a bunch of other companies are going to be reporting earnings soon. I used to be heavily invested in Alibaba. I wonder when their earnings are. This should be soon too, right? Expected October 29th, pre-market. So yeah, this is coming up too. But yeah, whenever a company reports earnings, usually there's a big move up or a big move down. So because of that, I'm a little, I'm trying to play it a little safe right now. That's why I have so much cash on the sidelines. And if I see a good deal, then I'll jump in. Right now, I feel like it's a little riskier because of earnings. And normally, I'm already placing a lot of risk by doing call debit spreads, which is inherently a very risky strategy. During earnings season 2, that just increases the risk by so much, So yeah, I'm sitting on the sidelines with a lot of buying power in cash right now. And if I do make a play, I'll let you guys know. But for now, all I have is my Cinemark call debit spreads. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and good luck investing.